welcome to OL's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. Today's story is adapted from the book of Genesis, chapters 15, 18, and 21. Abraham's Prayer. Once upon a moonless night, when all the stars were shining bright, an old man knelt down to pray, and this is what he had to say. "How I long to have a boy! It would give me so much joy!" God was quick with his reply. "Go outside and scan the sky. Try to count each little star that is twinkling from afar. If you can, then you will know how big your family will grow." Many years went passing by, and Abraham would often sigh when he saw the starry sky. Yet, each time he climbed in bed, he remembered what God said. Then one day, God sent some men just to tell him once again, "God is sending you a boy who will fill your heart with joy." Sarah laughed inside the tent. "Is that really what God meant? I'm too old to have a boy. I will never have that joy." But God's promises are true. What He says He's going to do. So when 9 more months were done, Sarah had a baby son. How they laughed with pride and joy as they held their little boy. The end. Thank you for watching. This is Abraham's Prayer from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.